Do you want a chance to win $100 US? Well, if you do, listen very carefully. On Saturday, April 25th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be live on Twitch. I'll probably go live a little before then, but at that time you can count on me to be live. And at some point during that live stream, I'm going to open up the Streamlabs bot, StreamElements bot, that basically you type something in chat, it says exclamation point, it's a command, and then you enter into a raffle. Basically, you have to be in chat to win, and one random viewer will be given $100. Or I'll take a vote in chat actually at one point, and I'll either give one person 100, 2 people 50, or 4 people 25. We'll take a vote in chat for you guys to decide, but that's besides the point. So, $100 basically is how much I'm giving away on that stream. You have to be there. I'm not changing the time. Sorry, the people are like, oh, could you do it at this time? No, I can't. That is when my schedule allows me to have time to live stream. So, Saturday, April 25th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be live during that live stream at some random point. Probably towards the end of the stream, if I'm being completely honest, so I can milk the most of yours for the longest time. I will be giving one viewer $100 US PayPal. You have to have PayPal. That's the only way I can give it to you. I mean, unless you live in the US and don't have PayPal, I could send you a check or something, but that's kind of stupid. So PayPal would be the best. And of course, please send me a screenshot for me to post on Twitter so that everyone can see that I just gave someone $100 US. So that's the point. That's when it's happening. There's no when, ifs, ands, or buts. Twitch.tv/JankyTheSync, link in the description below. I would follow and turn on notifications so you know when I'm live. That also is the best way to win these PC giveaways and stuff, because that's where you get the most entries. That's the point. So, I'll be giving someone $100 on that night. Saturday, April 25th, 9 p.m. I'm saying it very clearly so no one asks, when's the giveaway end? It's $100 to a random viewer on that night, because that's right after work, and I'll have $100 to give away. So, see you guys there. Like I said, it's mostly to test how many viewers I can get for $100. If I can get to 200, that would just be great, and I'll probably do it again, maybe once a week. We do, now I probably couldn't do 100 a week, but I could do like $50 a week after that, but let's see. So, if we can hit like 200 viewers, that'd be great. We're probably not going to. Maybe we'll hit like 10. Who knows? I don't know. Twitch likes to cut my viewers in half most of the time, but that's besides the point. So, $100 to a random viewer. Hope to see you guys there. Peace.